There's one quick question I want to ask. I am Igbo, and from my understanding and from inquiries being made, I was made to understand that Christianity has lasted only about 167 years in Igbo land. So my question is, before the advent of Christianity, what religion, what God, or what religion did our ancestors practice? And if they had God, the religion or God they prayed to, was that God evil or good? Is one question. The second question is this. What benefit has religion, or what good has religion done to us as a people? The third question is, for those of us who are Christians, the one simple question I want to ask is this: who is the devil? And who is the Son of God? Then the fourth question is Jesus God? I need answers, please. Then the fifth question is, according to the creation of man, during the creation of man, according to the Bible, it says Adam and Eve. Then if God created Adam and created Eve, and the two of them, exchanged cultures biologically and brought forth Cain and Abel, then whose daughter did Cain got married to? And who did Abel marry, if they have a wife? Then if you can answer that, then if Cain was able to get married to someone, a lady, who gave birth to that person, then come back to your account of man according to the Bible. If you can answer these just few questions, and I really appreciate it. Thank you.